You're watching NBS. Currently, we are suspending our regular programming to deliver an important announcement.
This is an emergency message issued by the Geological Survey of Narthernee for the western region of Narthernee until further notice. This is not a drill. Repeating, this is not a drill. This is a life-threatening event, an earthquake in 1973 that struck the Rolandic city of Villamonte caused Mount Caldwell to enter its pre-eruption stage. Some public witnesses were informed that the eruption led to catastrophic devastation to Eastbourne. The eruption is expected to happen in less than an hour. It's no longer safe to remain in the Eastbourne area. An immediate evacuation is mandatory for all residents in Narthernee. Delaying will put your life at risk. The eruption is expected to impact the Eastbourne area and most of the environment on the Harlis-Narthernee border. All residents outside the Eastbourne area are advised to remain indoors until the all-clear message is given. Please follow the evacuation orders given by local authorities. Gather all your loved ones and your essential items with you. The items include a flashlight, a first aid kit, non-perishable food and water, clothing and medications. When evacuating, always cover your mouth and nose with a mask or a cloth to prevent volcanic ash from entering. Again, this is a life-threatening event. Act now to save your life. Please take precautions and stay tuned to news outlets for further information. This message will repeat in Kaparan. Time is running out. There is less time for the evacuation. A red alert has occurred that will impact your life. Please pay attention to the emergency message. This is an emergency message issued by the Geological Survey of Narthernee and the Narthernee Meteorological Department for the western region of Narthernee until further notice. This is not a drill. Repeating, this is not a drill. This is a life-threatening event. Mount Caldwell is expected to erupt in 5 minutes. This will bring catastrophic devastation to Eastbourne. The eruption will destroy and bury every infrastructure within the 20-kilometer radius of Mount Caldwell. This is not optional. The eruption of Mount Caldwell is the result of the earthquake in the city of Villamonte, Rayland back in 1973, and is expected to impact Eastbourne with volcanic ash. All residents within the 20-kilometer radius of Mount Caldwell are urged to evacuate and redirect routes to safety. Your local authorities should give you emergency protocols about volcanic eruption precautions. You should follow the routes on where to get you and your loved ones to safety. The precautions for the volcanic eruption disaster are in Arix, Huji and Nipadi. Please gather your loved ones and supplies such as a battery-powered radio, flashlight, non-perishable food, water, clothing, first aid kit, and extra batteries. Please remember to bring masks and something to cover your mouth to protect from ashes getting inside. Maintaining in the Eastbourne area will put your life in danger. Eastbourne is in the danger zone because it's in the 20-kilometer radius of the eruption. The volcanic ash falls are expected to impact most northern Aritonesia, specifically the sovereign states of Narthernee, Roland, Harlis, Belich, Kokone and Triu. Most of the United States will have ashfalls traveling eastward from Mount Caldwell, specifically in Southern California. These ashfalls result in water being contaminated, making it unhealthy to drink. If you are not in the Eastbourne area or have evacuated, stay vigilant and remain indoors. It is also a reminder that you should stay indoors if in the designated ashfall diagram shown on the screen. This diagram shows how ashfall is distributed in the aftermath of Mount Caldwell. The red diagram ranges the ashfall distribution from 2 to 5 inches. The orange diagram ranges from 1/2 to 2 inches, and the yellow diagram ranges from trace to 1/2 inch. Turn off the air conditioning system to prevent ashfall from entering your shelter. Again, there is no more time left to evacuate. This is a life-threatening event. Act now to save your life, take all precautions seriously, and stay tuned for news outlets for further information. This concludes the message of the Narthernee Emergency Agency. Good luck and goodbye.